There passed a weary time. Each throat was parched and glazed each eye. A weary time, a weary time. How glazed each weary eye. When looking westward, I beheld a something in the sky. At first it seemed a little speck, and then it seemed a mist. It moved, and took at last a certain shape, I wist. A speck, a mist, a shape, I wist, and still it neared and neared, as if it dodged a water sprite. It plunged and tacked and veered. With throats unslacked, with black lips baked, we could nor laugh nor wail. Through utter drought, all dumb we stood. I bit my arm, I sucked the blood, and cried, a snail, a snail. With throats unslaked, with black lips baked, agape they heard me call. Gramercy, they for joy did grin, and all at once their breath drew in, as they were drinking all. See, see, she tacks no more. Hither to work us wheel, without to a breeze, without a tide, she steadies with upright kneel. A main question about this section involves the themes of the article. And Mariner is often rooted in isolation and utter abandonment of hope as time continues on and on. We can see this as he waits and waits for an approaching ship, and when it finally comes, the ship gives him purpose. It gives him hope, and he decides to do something with it. Throughout the poem, the poet uses nature as the controlling force in Mariner's life. So a question could be, what are the different figurative language devices seen throughout this story? And I can answer this by noting that there is repetition, metaphors, ambiguities, and personification all throughout the text. The repetition of the word weary in stanza 1 of part 3 is used to emphasize how much time has been dragged on. It is known that the men were exhausted and tired out of sea, so the word is emphasized further by repeating it over and over. Another example of repetition includes the metaphors describing words leading to a change in tone. And the last one